Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Sharleen. I do all things makeup, hair and fashion. So if you are interested in that sort of content, then don't forget to subscribe and also like this video if you do enjoy it. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this £28 wig. This is just like a jet black 28-inch wig from Freedom. I've done a review on one of their wigs before, and I've also given some of their wigs away for my 2000 subscriber giveaway. So I wanted to try just like a black curly one and see how it looks. So yeah, I just wanted to give this a go. I've already tinted the lace and everything, so I'm just going to install it in this video. So this video is also in collaboration with Celebrity Couture. They basically do wigs and like hair accessories and all of that. So they sent me their Couture wig halo. So this is basically a wig grip and you just apply it onto your head. It has a lace and it just stops your wig from sliding. So I'm going to be testing this out. I have a discount code so that you can get buy one get one free. It's just Halo 2020 and you'll get two wig grips for the price of one basically. So yeah, I'm going to be testing this out and hopefully it does actually work, because I know with me my wig cap is always sliding back, or my wig is sliding back and it ends up like here, and I'm like, I swear I didn't apply it like that far up. But hopefully this does save me, because I definitely need something like this. So I usually do a voiceover for these sorts of videos, but I thought I would just talk through it this time, just switch it up a little bit. So this wig, like I said, is a 28-inch wig. It has a 13x4 parting space, so it just looks like that. I feel like 13x4 is quite a good parting space, especially if you're starting out with wigs. It gives you just enough parting space to make it look natural. So I did pluck this wig beforehand, but I'll insert a clip of what it looks like before. And obviously when I install it, you'll see the after. So this is going to be a glueless installation. I'm going to try it out. So I'm just going to be using mousse to apply this, and obviously the wig grip, and see how well it melts onto my skin, because I feel like glue is really damaging for my baby hair, so I don't really want to be using it as much. I'm kind of giving my hair a break with wigs, so yeah, I'm just trying to avoid glue as much as possible. So I've also just moved like accommodation, so I'm in student accommodation, so I'm trying to find like the best setup for my videos. So right now I just have a plain white wall, but that might change. I've been changing my background so much, but I'm just trying to find the best place. So the wig grip comes in this little packaging. It's so cute. It feels like really good quality packaging, and then it just looks like this. So I'm just taking my Sally Hansen airbrush leg makeup, and I'm just going to be tinting the lace. So the bit where the lace is kind of coming at the front just goes at the front like so, and then you just secure it at the back. Okay, so I'm just going to test how the grip actually works by putting the wig on. It's still got the lace at the front. I haven't cut it yet, but we'll see. Okay, so let's do a grip test. Okay, yeah, basically does not move. It feels the most secure a wig has felt before, so it definitely is doing something, and hopefully it will just help the wig from stopping sliding back. So yeah. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is just pluck the wig a little bit more, just so it's less full around the edges, and yeah. So all I'm doing now is just taking some gel, and I'm just going to be brushing all the hairs upwards, just so that no hairs interfere with like the mousse that I'm going to lay down. So I'm just taking the Eco Styler gel, the flaxseed one, and a toothbrush, and all I'm going to do is just brush all the hairs upwards. I'm not using too much because otherwise it can go crusty. So by doing this you can also see how full the hairline actually is. So I'm just going to go in one more time and pluck it a little bit more. Okay, so the next step is to cut the lace. So all I'm going to do is just cut around the perimeter and then also just leave the flaps for the ears. So I do that after. So that is most of the lace off. I just left the ear things. So I'm so happy with the wig grip because this wig is not moving at all. Usually when I cut the lace or try to put the wig on, it just ends up moving backwards, but it has stayed in its place and I'm really impressed. Okay, so really and truly you probably wouldn't even need to glue your wigs down with this wig halo, because as you can see, like, this part just looks like it's melted anyway. Does it really need sticking down? But I'm just gonna do it because I want it to be secure, just using the mousse, so no glue. So when I cut the ear bit, I tend to bring like a side band down and then just like trim around the shape of my ear, and also like here where I'm cutting right now. Okay, so moving on to like the sideburns and trying to make them as natural as possible. So what I like to do is just thin them out first. So I'm just going to pull quite a few hairs from there. Okay, so once I've done the most of like thinning it out, I'll just cut it. And I'm just going to leave it like that in the meantime. So what I'm going to do now is just take the mousse and do the same thing I did with the gel and just kind of stick everything back, but then bring forward some baby hairs. So you'll see what I mean right now. Okay, so once I've gone in with the first layer of mousse and pulled down some baby hairs, I'm just going to go in with the second layer. And then I'm just going to tie it while it's still foamy with a headscarf. Okay, so you want to ensure that it's really tight and you let it sit for about 10 minutes so that it has time to like dry down and everything, and hopefully melt the lace. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm too lazy to wait, so I'm just going to take the headscarf off. And that is what it looks like. So the only place I probably would need glue is just around the ears, because I feel like these are the hardest to stick down. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of got2b glue. And then I'm just going to take a blow dryer. I'm really impressed with how the mousse lays down the lace, like it actually looks melted. I'll do some close-ups so you can see at the end, but yeah, I'm just going to do my baby hairs. Okay, so once I think the edges and everything are done, I'm just going to take the headscarf off. Okay, so now I just want to straighten the parting because it is looking a bit wonky. Okay, so the final step is just to conceal the parting, just so that it defines it a little bit more. Okay, so that's basically the wig installation. That was probably the easiest wig I've installed with the wig grip as well. And just using mousse. I'm probably going to do that from now on because I really liked how it turned out. It's really soft. I didn't have any issues with like crusting or like white residue, which I usually get from using glue. So yeah, I'm so happy, and I actually really like this wig. This wig was only £28, which is mad. I think I paid probably around £24 for it with loads of coupons, which you can always get on Aliexpress. So make sure to check out Freedom Store on Aliexpress, and also check out Celebrity Couture, and I'll leave their store link in the description, and also use my code HALO2020 for buy one get one free. So if you want the wig to be even more flawless, you can just go in with like a hot comb or a curler and just batten down the top, but I personally don't feel like I need to. You can also go in with some dry shampoo or baby powder if you're finding it a bit too shiny, but honestly I feel like I can get away with this as human hair. It doesn't even look shiny like that, and the fibres are really nice. They're not like a synthetic plasticky fibre. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
That's my wife, Sharleen. Anything green, get buns, still do it like I've done it like half my life. Any sight of the goal, man, shoot.